brysur, rydyn ni'n torri ar draws y darllediad hwn gyda noswaith dda a diolch am wrando. Breaking news. We interrupt this broadcast with good evening and thanks for listening. Prydain wedi cefnogi lluoedd America I gipio tancer yn Iwerydd. Britain has supported American forces to seize a tanker in the Atlantic. Cyfres 4 a phenod rhif 193. Series 4 and episode number 93. Yn y Newyddion. In the news. So, brysur has become brysur. Soft mutation. Da has become dda. Soft mutation as well. Grand has become rando. Soft mutation. Gipio has become gipio. Soft mutation. C2G. Pennod has become phenod. Aspirate mutation after a. The word and causes aspirate mutation. That's it. Okay, good. On we go. And today's episode about in the news. So we've got some words that have appeared in the news and probably appear a lot. So we've got Ewropeaidd, European, and we've got Ewropeaidd, European as well. Ewropeaidd and Ewropeaidd. This is an E in there on the second one. It's a long E. Ewropeaidd. Lluoedd, president. These are all masculine now. The last two adjectives. Masculine nouns. Lluoedd, vice president. Lluoedd means the same thing, vice president. Weinidog. That's prime minister, first minister or premier. Gweinidog is just minister. Ynys Las. Greenland. Ynys is island. Sorry, they were masculine. Ynys Las is feminine, and Ynys is feminine. Europe, feminine, and Prydain is feminine. Because places are usually feminine. Whether it be the place name or places like town. The word for places like, town, city, country, and island, an island. Europe, it's a continent, so they're feminine. Prydain, that's a group of countries, but it's a nation, so it's feminine as well. And that's it. So, that's it for nouns. And then we've got some phrases. Newyddion. Tŷ, White House, the residence of the Lluoedd the President of the United States. Lluoedd America, the President of the United States of America. Lluoedd Vice President of the United States. Weinidog Deyrnas Unedig. Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. Weinidog Cymru. First Minister for Wales. Games and stuff. Some sentences. Mae'r arlywydd yn cael ei ethol. The president is elected. Ynys Las yw ynys fwyaf y byd. Greenland is the largest island in the world. Mae gan y tŷ 35 o ystafelloedd y molchi. The White House has 35 bathrooms. Mae gan y tŷ 35 o ystafelloedd y molchi. The White House has 35 bathrooms. That's better, isn't it? Ardal o gwmpas pegwn gogledd yw'r Arctic. The area around the North Pole is the Arctic. So, Ynys Las yw. These are sort of emphasis sentences. So we're bringing Greenland is the largest island in the world. So we're saying Greenland first, and we're using yw is rather than Greenland is doing something, which would be my Ynys Las, and yeah, that would be Greenland is doing something. But if Greenland is something, and we're assigning a description to it with either a noun or an adjective, and we're putting the main noun or the main subject, like Greenland is in this case, at the front for emphasis, then we use yw, YW, Ynys Las yw ynys fwyaf y byd. And fwyaf y byd means the largest in the world. So the word in the middle of fwyaf and byd, fwyaf being largest, being a superlative adjective, and byd being the noun, we're putting the word in the middle, which means the. But in this case, it can mean of the or in the, and can even put the on the front of the old phrase as well. So it could be the largest. Yeah, that kind of thing. So ynys fwyaf y byd, even though it translates as the largest island in the world, there's only one the in the Welsh bit, and that's in the bit that's separating the subject of that clause, ynys fwyaf, largest island and in the world. Anyway, some of that. Like pobl o cwm, people of the valley. So the bit in the middle is either in the or of the, that kind of thing. So the bit at the front belongs to the bit at the back, kind of thing. Largest island in the world. People of the valley. It took a lot of explaining, didn't it? On to the story then. So, mae'r arlywydd Trump yn ystyried opsiynau I gymryd rheolaeth o'r Ynys Las gan gynnwys camau milwrol, meddai'r Tŷ Gwyn. President Trump is considering options to take control of Greenland, including military action, the White House said. Yn ôl y Tŷ Gwyn, mae hyn yn flaenoriaeth diogelwch cenedlaethol. According to the White House, this is a national security priority. Yn yr Arctic, mae'r Ynys Las ac mae yn rhan o'r Deyrnas Denmark. Greenland is in the Arctic and is part of the Kingdom of Denmark. Mae prif weinidog Denmark wedi rhybuddio y byddai unrhyw ymosiad gan America yn golygu diwedd I gynghrair milwrol NATO. The Prime Minister of Denmark has warned that any attack by America would mean the end of the NATO military alliance. Right. Arlywydd, President, ystyried, consider, verb noun, opsiynau, options, plural of option, rheolaeth, control, yr Ynys Las, Greenland. Glass in the past meant different colours, that's why it needed green in this case. Have a look on the web lesson. But out of time, so ta-ra!